Selling products on Amazon is one of the best ways to start a business and actually make money. And that's because the market is massive and still growing as more people shift to online shopping for pretty much everything. So if you're thinking about launching a product, Amazon is definitely the right place. But of course, there is a lot that goes into it, like picking the right product, finding a supplier, setting up your Amazon store, and actually making sales. But if you take the time to find the right product and consistently put in the effort to grow your business, you could potentially make tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, even as a brand new seller. And so in today's video, I'm going to break it all down for you step by step. I'll show you exactly how to get started with selling on Amazon, from signing up for an account to launching your first product using Jungle Scout, which can help make this process a lot easier for you. Now, if you're thinking about trying out Jungle Scout, you can use the discounted affiliate link that I left down in the description below, where you'll get a discount that you wouldn't be able to get by going just about anywhere else, even directly through their website. Alright, so Amazon FBA is a service that lets you sell products on Amazon without having to handle storage, shipping, or customer service yourself. You simply send your product to Amazon's warehouses, and they take care of everything once a customer places an order. Now, there are different ways to sell on Amazon, like private label, wholesale, reselling, drop shipping, and even handmade goods. But one of the most popular and scalable methods is private label, where you basically sell products under your own brand. And the process includes researching a product, finding a supplier, creating your Amazon listing, launching your product, and then letting Amazon handle the rest, from storage to delivery to customer service, so you can focus on growing your business. That said, before you can actually start selling, you'll need to set up an Amazon seller account. Now, there are two options here, the individual account and the professional account. The individual account doesn't have a monthly fee, but Amazon charges you 99 cents for every item that you sell. So if you're selling in higher volume, those fees can add up very quickly. The professional account, though, costs just under $40 per month, but lets you sell unlimited products without that extra charge per item. So if you're planning to sell more than 40 items a month, the professional plan is definitely the better option. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is find the right product to sell, and to help you with that, you can use a tool called Jungle Scout, which is a platform built specifically for Amazon sellers. It gives you research tools, data insights, and resources to help you build and grow your business. Jungle Scout basically helps you sort through millions of products and shows you how much similar items are selling for, how competitive the market is, and what your estimated profits would be after Amazon's fees, helping you find products that actually have potential. So you're not just hoping a random product does well. Because at the end of the day, no matter how good your listing is, or how much you spend on ads, if there's no demand for your product, you won't make any sales. Now, if you're not sure what kind of product you want to sell yet, Jungle Scout's Opportunity Finder is a great place to start. It shows you low competition niches with strong demand, so you can find ideas that have a better chance of success. Then you can use Jungle Scout's product database, which basically gives you access to Amazon's entire catalog with hundreds of millions of products to look through. And what's really helpful is that you can apply filters to find the kind of products you actually want to sell. Like, you can set the price range to something like $20 to $70 to aim for a decent profit margin. Look for products that sell at least 300 units a month so you know there's demand, and even filter by the number of reviews so you don't end up in a super competitive niche right away. After you've found a few potential products, the product tracker lets you monitor their daily sales, pricing, and inventory levels over time. This helps you make sure it's not just a fluke and that the product consistently is selling well. Meaning something might look like a bestseller today, but once you track it for a week or two, you might notice the sales started to drop. Once you've confirmed that there's real demand for your product, the next step is finding a reliable manufacturer, and that's where Jungle Scout's supplier database comes in. This tool makes it super easy to find suppliers by either searching their product name or entering the ASIN, which is Amazon's unique ID for every product. For example, if you're thinking about selling a bamboo cutting board, you can simply search bamboo cutting board, or grab the ASIN from a similar product that's already doing well on Amazon. Jungle Scout will then show you a list of verified suppliers that have actually shipped that product before, along with helpful information like shipment volume and who they shipped it to, so you can even see which suppliers your competitors are using. Now, after you have your product and supplier, you can use Keyword Scout, which is an amazing tool for building your listing. It shows you exactly what customers are searching for, along with helpful data. So instead of guessing what to write in your product title or description, Keyword Scout shows you the high-ranking search term, like snorkel mask or swimming goggles, instead of just swim mask, so your listing has a better chance of showing up in search results and getting more clicks. Another helpful tool that you can use is Jungle Scout's Listing Builder, which is great for helping you put everything together into a strong professional listing. It takes the keywords you found with Keyword Scout and helps you organize them into your product title, bullet points, and description all in one place. It also shows you how well your listing is optimized in real time, so you can make sure that you're using the best keywords and not missing any important details. On top of that, there's the review automation feature, which automatically sends review requests to customers after a purchase, since reviews are one of the key factors that influence buying decisions on Amazon. This tool helps sellers build credibility and trust without having to manually follow up with each customer. It's a simple way to increase your chances of getting more positive feedback over time. Lastly, there's also the Sales Analytics tool that is very helpful for keeping track of how your products are doing. It breaks everything down, your revenue, profits, and fees in real time, which makes it so much simpler to understand your margins and plan ahead. For instance, during busy times like holiday seasons, sales can start increasing earlier than expected, but with a profit and inventory tracking tool, you can clearly see how much profit you're actually making after costs. And you can spot trends like low stock levels before they become a problem. That way, you can have time to restock and avoid missing out on sales by running out of inventory. And so these are the main tools that I personally use and recommend, especially if you're a beginner. Whether you're just starting out or already trying to grow your business, they really make the entire process a lot easier to manage. And if you ever feel stuck, Jungle Scout has tutorials, guides, and even a community where you can ask questions and get help along the way. Alright, so that's all well and good, but how much does it all cost? Jungle Scout offers a few different plans depending on what you need. First up is the starter plan, which costs around $50 per month, and is perfect if you're just starting out because it includes tools like product research and tracking for up to 50 products. Then there's the Growth Accelerator plan, which costs about $80 per month and includes everything from the starter plan, plus extras like review automation, advanced keyword tracking, and inventory management. It's also great if you're managing multiple products, as it lets you track up to 150 and is actually the plan that I've been using. Lastly, for more advanced sellers or teams, there's the Brand Owner plus CI plan. This one is priced at just under $150 per month. It's packed with advanced features like competitive intelligence, historical keyword data, and priority support. Plus, you can track up to 2,000 products. So if you're running a larger business, this plan could be a huge help. And if you're managing a big brand or agency, there's also the Cobalt plan, which is custom priced. It's designed for enterprise-level needs with features like market trend analysis and advanced dashboards. On top of that, all the plans come with a 7-day back guarantee, so you can test them out risk-free. And again, if you're thinking of giving Jungle Scout a try, you can use the discounted affiliate link that I left in the description below, where you'll get a discount that you wouldn't be able to get by going just about anywhere else, even directly through their website. Okay, so after going through everything, would I recommend using Jungle Scout? Absolutely. If you're serious about selling on Amazon, these tools make the process so much easier. Instead of spending hours manually researching products, tracking keywords, and trying to figure everything out on your own, you get access to real data that helps you make smarter decisions faster. From finding the right product, locating trusted suppliers, building a high-converting listing, running effective ads, and even getting reviews, Jungle Scout has something for every step of the process. And if you're just getting started, having a tool like this can save you from a lot of trial and error. That said, building a successful Amazon business takes time and effort, but with the right tools and strategy, it's definitely possible. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing store, Jungle Scout gives you the support you need to move forward with confidence. And just a quick reminder, if you decide to try out Jungle Scout, you can use the discounted affiliate link that I left in the description below, where you'll get a discount that you wouldn't be able to get directly through their website. And I've also linked a full in-depth review of Jungle Scout down below that goes into even more detail about each feature and my personal experiences using them. So make sure to check those out if you want to learn more. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.